Okay guys, so now we're looking at using negative indices. Not negative indices, I'm losing my mind. Negative factorisation. Okay, so have a look here. Let's do this in blue. So if we got negative 3ab, take 6a. Okay, so what I want you to notice and I want you to remember is when you see that the first number here is a negative, you know you have to factorize with a negative. So you have a look and you say, well, what goes into 3 and what goes into 6? Well, you would probably say what goes into negative 3 and what goes into negative 6. And that would be negative 3, okay, because of that. So we're going to start off writing it like this. So we're going, yes, I want it in blue, please. Blue. Negative 3, and it's negative 3a. Right. So how many times is negative 3a? Oh, my other
numbers as either rational
things are starting. Negative 3a goes into negative 3ab. It goes in once, which you won't write down, but it goes a negative and a negative, gives us a positive, and it goes in b times. Okay. And how many times does negative 3 go into negative 6? Well, negative and a negative is a positive. And negative 3a goes into negative 6 twice, and we've already got the 8, so we close that off. So that's how we do that one. Let me show you one more. Let's just move these up, shuffle these up. Okay, let's try a different color. Let's do green this time. Okay, so our other question will be negative 8x squared plus 20x. Okay, so what are we looking at here? Well, we see we've got a negative. So what goes into both of those will be negative 4. So negative 4 goes into 8, negative 4 goes into 20. So it's negative 4, and there's an x there and an x there, so we'll make it negative 4x. Okay, cool. So how many times does negative 4x go into negative 8x? So it goes in negative and a negative gives us a positive. It goes in twice, and there's only one x, so we leave one x there. How many times does negative 4x go into negative 20x? Well, negative and a positive gives us a negative. 4 goes into 25 times, and we don't put the x in. And there you go. Alright, so just always remember to use your little negative sign if there is a negative sign in the beginning or in one of your pronumerals there. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try a few for me.